Hi guys, Jacko Time Lord. In this episode we're playing Sonic and Sega All-Stars Racing Transformed. What we're basically going to be doing is we're going to be doing a race each episode. So, yeah, let's do this. We're going to do the first race on the game. We're going to be doing Ocean View, but in hard mode. So I might be kind of shit at this, but still, it's a challenge. Let's be. Who should we choose? You know what? I'm going to go for classic. Let's be. You know what? Let's be the new character. Danica Patrick. I unlocked her today. On the game. Oh, spin token, 99 coins. Yes! Oh, stunt nitro. Stunts boost lasts longer than... What? Oh, it's a longer boost, that's alright. Oh, camera. Oh, come on, camera. That's kind of better. Let's do this. Come on, load. Okay.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's do this, son of a bitch. Come on. Okay, we're in 8th. Let's do this. Alright. We're in 5th. Okay, let's do this. Oh, managed to dodge that. I like the music. Oh, come on. Oh, there's Amigo, and let's go into our boat. Oh, sugar! Fuck, I crashed! Oh my Christ, how... You've got to be choking. That has glitched out, and... You've got to be kidding. You've got to be kidding. You've got to be joking. Yep, looks like it's gonna happen. Well, let's have my dignity coming in 9th. Let's see if I have my dignity. Oh, for fuck, you gotta be joking. No, I don't have my dignity. I'm in 10th position. I came 10th! I came last! God, I can't believe this. Completely glitched out. So that's the scoreboard. Amy, Ulala, I, me. Oh, fuck you then. That's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I've been Jacko Tomlin. Thank you for watching. See you soon for another episode. Bye! In the next episode we're going to be doing the next race, so bye!